Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to digitally sign your PDF file in Google Chrome browser. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do here is to open our PDF file with Chrome browser. So how do we do that? So I'm going to minimize my browser right here. So this particular PDF right here, I'm going to click on it, right click on it. So when you right click, go ahead and click on open with. Then make sure you click on Chrome right here, open with Google Chrome, and in a few seconds it's going to open up like so, just like what you have right here. Let's say for instance I want to add a signature to this particular certificate right here. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and we click on this particular drawing right here. So when you click on drawing, you have different options right here. You have pen size, then you have different kind of highlighter, as the case may be right here. So you have pen right here, you have different kind of pen size right here. Let's say I'm interested in this tiny pen right here. So we want to check on the kind of color we want to use. Let's take a look at this red color right here. So once you select everything you need, then go ahead and append your signature in the area where you want to have it, just like what you see right here. If you are not satisfied with the results, go ahead and click on the result tool right here. Then delete anyone you want to erase. Go back to your pen, then continue from here. If you made a mistake again, go to eraser, then erase it back. Go back to your pen, and then continue with your tally signature. Once you are satisfied with the result, then you are good to go. Lastly, go ahead and click on download right here. Then with your changes, without changes, go ahead and click on so go ahead and click on. So once you click on download right here with your changes, without changes, go ahead and click on with your changes. And this is going to come up right here. Next thing you want to do is to choose the file location. So I'm taking this file to download folder. Then I'll click on save right here. I'm going to go ahead and rename it signature. Then I'll go ahead and click on save, and the file is going to be successfully saved, and then the signature is going to be successfully added right here. It's that simple. So next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and open up my folder right here. So this is the PDF right here. So I'm going to press enter key to open the PDF. Just like so, then I'll go ahead and locate. So this is where I append my signature right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.